Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a cinematic zoom text intro using CapCut. Alright, let's get started. First, open your CapCut and create a new project and go to library and then choose this black background. Next, adjust the ratio to your preferred size. I will set mine just to this ratio. Next, just type any word that you want. I will go with this word. And use a bold font style to make it stand out. I will choose this one. And then adjust the size. I will adjust like this. Next, just add in animations. Just go to animations, this one, and choose end, and just pick your desired animations. In this tutorial, I will choose this one. Now slide the timeline to the right just a little and add a keyframe like this. Then go to the end of the clips and zoom in on the text until it leaves a white background like this, and then just tap export. Next, just create a new project and then choose your main videos and add the text video that you just exported. And then just tap on it and make it as an overlay. Like this. After that, just go to Splice, this one, and then choose Darken. Next, just add some music or an intro sound effects to make it more creative and cinematic. Just go to Audio. And finally, let's play the video. And there you go, your cinematic zoom text intro effects is ready. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!